Hi guys, this on the driver. So I found this stuff. Let's clean it together, right? Okay, I see one. It's a Shadow Sonic, Yellow Sonic figure. Okay, comment below if you know the name of this Sonic one. So, it's just okay. A Black Sonic. I don't know. Maybe Werehog? Sonic Werehog? I don't know. Let's comment if you know. The third. I know this one. I know this one. Oh my god. Help me. It's a Mild Sonic. Mild the Hedgehog. It's I know you know. It's a classic blue one. It is Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh. I think it's the Jet the Hog. Jet the Hog Sonic. It's a red. I forget the one. Can you spell the name? What is the kind of Sonic? Please comment. Oh. We found another. Oh. I think it's the classic one too. It's the Hedgehog series. Here's a silver or shadow. Silver or the Hedgehog or shadow the Hedgehog? What do you think? And the last one we saw. Oh, look at this. It's a good Sonic. It's a Metal Sonic. Yeah, it's Metal Sonic, I think. So we have a Sonic and the Hedgehog series. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Echo Sonic figure on this beautiful rifle. So let's search the other figure another next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.